Hi there, students. Redoubtable, an adjective. Okay, I think we can use redoubtable in two ways. Firstly, we could use redoubtable to describe somebody. Somebody who has a very strong character, and they produce respect and a little fear in other people. So, yeah. In the final, he faces a most redoubtable opponent. Yeah, somebody has a very good reputation. They're respected, and maybe this person should be a little afraid of them as well. Now, the other meaning of redoubtable is something that causes fear or alarm, formidable. So we have a redoubtable mountain to climb if we're going to get all this work done. Yeah, you have a redoubtable problem in front of you. Yeah, this is a redoubtable situation, something that we should be afraid of. Yeah, maybe also though we should respect it as well. So a redoubtable problem, a formidable problem, and then a redoubtable character, somebody eminent, somebody worthy of respect, but also maybe they stimulate a little bit of fear as well. Okay, so redoubtable, arousing fear or worthy of respect. We can use it in either direction. Okay, so yeah, he's a redoubtable contender. He's a redoubtable boxer, strong, powerful, mighty, fearsome, and something to both be afraid of and to respect. Okay, so redoubtable, causing fear. Yeah, something dreadful, terrible, frightful, ghastly, yeah, that causes fear. So your redoubtable difficulties will not be solved easily. And then redoubtable, widely known and well esteemed, celebrated, distinguished, eminent. Yeah. In this film we have the redoubtable Mr. Schwarzenegger, who plays a redoubtable, fearsome robot. Okay, so redoubtable you can use it in both ways. Eliciting fear or respect. The Redoubtable Times has been printed in the UK for many years. It has a good reputation and people respect it. Yeah. Not something you should go against. And then redoubtable, making people afraid. The redoubtable COVID virus seems to be unstoppable. Okay, so what about formality? Redoubtable, this is quite a formal word. I think I'd probably give it something like 7 in formality. So how would I put this informally? Deserving respect, respected, and then maybe frightening or inspiring, or something like that. And then the origin, well, this comes directly from French, redoutable, which itself means frightening, formidable, or just redoubtable in itself. Okay, so redoubtable, yeah. Your redoubtable English teacher once again has produced a video for you to respect, and no problem in English is redoubtable. You will overcome everything. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Redoubtable.